Hey everybody, this is DARPA. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mini video and upload it to YouTube, produce it, edit it, and upload it, and rank it #1 in less than 5 minutes. Check this out.
All right, so the first thing we've got to do though, we got to download some tools here. And I put up all 6 tools as part of the videos course series that I have. All of them will deal with each of these tools. You got Canva and OBS. Every single one of these are free. So
Now eventually you're going to need all those tools you see up there, but we're going to focus on that one right up there, FlixPress.
well, all right. Let's go there now. FlixPress, not FlixExpress, not FlixPress. It's FlixPress. So let's go there. All right, first thing you want to do is you get an account. It's absolutely free. And then you want to go ahead and sign in to that account. You'll notice here at the top, you got my previews. You don't really have to order anything because I'm going to show you how to do it without ordering. But with the free plan, you get a 2-minute video, which is templated. So you don't really have to worry about anything outside of just the fact that you just got to know how to make it. So we're going to use that right there at the 2-minute. Now down here, you've got free template plans, you've got slideshows, promos, whatever you want. And we're just going to go here to all templates right now. And we're going to take a look. Now, if you put your mouse over it, we'll actually go through some. That's pretty cool. I like that one. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, baby. Get some. I like that music on there. Here's what we're going to do. You always want to look for one that has a lot of slot titles, okay? The reason being is because you're making this video to optimize on YouTube, and YouTube sees through their crawlers and their little fingers that they use to search videos, they use these little categories and what we call slot tags for searching their titles and the name of this of the type of whatever you're selling, the phrase or the keywords or whatever you're trying to sell. So we like this one here. It gives you kind of a preview there. You got your title, title 2, title 3, title 4, and title 5. So we're going to go ahead and select that one there. And we're going to, let's say we're trying to sell top 5 cars. In this case, top 5 Jeeps or trucks. What do you think? Top 5 Jeeps sounds good. How about some 2020 diamonds? Now, you want to make it relevant, so the year 2020 in this case is extremely relevant. So you just want that 2020 in there. It tells Google that it's a current video. Little optimization secret, little ninja secret there for you. So you always want to use that. And then I'll put here my key phrase here that I always say, come and get some. Come and get some. Then you got your final subtitle. You can use that as like your website or whatever you want to put. You just go ahead and do that. Now here, I'm going to go ahead and use 720, which is the better resolution. It's got a laser type resolution. And you can also add audio if you want to. Let's check out some of the audios. Now, obviously, we're talking about cars and high-performance vehicles or whatever, trucks. So we want sort of high energy. Yeah, and there's a cool one here. Forward drive. Well, that sounds like a car. Let's see what that sounds like. Yeah, why not? Why not? That sounds good. All right, so we've got our audio, we got the video, and now all we got to do is check it out. So let's create a preview and see how our video looks. Select View My Previews. Let's check it out. We don't want this one. All right, so let's check it out. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Well, I hope you liked that video. You know, there's 100 ways to optimize a video. There's 100 ways to upload it too. So if you want to see more of these videos, just go ahead and smash that like button down there and subscribe. And as soon as I drop one, I'll definitely send one out to you. I hope you had a good time. This is DARPA signing off. Hope you have a good day.